My science project is about making your lava lamp at home. In this experiment, I'm making a lava lamp by using the materials such as water, vegetable oil, food coloring, and fizzy tablet. And also we need a clear plastic bottle or jar. In this experiment, my purpose is to see how they can make the lava by using this material and how these materials react with each other. My hypothesis is that when I mix oil, water, food coloring, and fizzy tablet, they start make bubble, and this bubble carry out the colors throughout the jar. The background knowledge and research for this experiment is that oil and water, they cannot mix with each other. The water is denser, so it goes on bottom, and the oil is lighter, less dense. It's gonna stay on top of the water. Also, food coloring is water-based, so they don't mix with the oil and they mix with the water. Also, the fizzy tablet, as soon as it touches the bottom of the jar and the water, it's gonna start the chemical reaction and making the gas, and the gas is carbon dioxide. The procedure for this experiment is that fill the bottle 1/4 with the water, add oil until it's almost full, and then we have to wait when these layers is settled. The oil gonna go on top of the water, and then add 5 or 10 drops of food coloring. This food coloring is water-based, so they don't mix with the oil and they mix with the water. Drop piece of alka-syphilis tablet into the jar, and as soon as it's get in touch with the water, the chemical reaction start, and you could see the colored bubbles move up and down, and more pieces if you want to keep it going. The result for this experiment, then I added the tablet, the alka-syphilis tablet. I saw bubbles start to form right away. The tablet sank to the bottom, where it reacts with the water and create gas bubbles, which are carbon dioxide. This bubble is stuck to the color water and move it float through the oil. The colored blobs move slowly through the oil layer. When the bubbles popped at the top, the bubble of color water fell back down to the bottom because it was heavier than the oil. It happens again and again as long as the tablet was fizzing. I noticed the oil and water never mix. The food coloring stays with the water, not with the oil. And bigger piece of tablet make more bubbles. And then when the bubbling stops, if I want to restart the experiment, I need to add more tablet. I'll also try different colors of food coloring. The effect worked the same way each time, but the lava looked different depending on color that I use. For conclusion, I could say my experiment showed that I can make lava lamp using simple material like oil, water, food coloring, and fizzy tablet. When I added the tablet, which I use alka-syphilis in this experiment, it reacted with the water and create bubbles of carbon dioxide gas. These bubbles carried out the color water through the oil, then popped, and the water sank again, because as we know the water is heavier and denser than oil. It looked like just lava lamp. And I could say my hypothesis was correct. The gas bubble really did move the color water up and down through the oil, and I learned that different liquid like oil and water have different densities and they don't mix. I also learned that a chemical reaction between alka-syphilis tablets and water can create gas. This gas helps the color water and makes the lava lamp effect happens, as we can see in this picture. For this experiment, we need water first. That much water is enough. We just need to cover the tablet. We could add color now or after adding oil. It doesn't matter because it doesn't mix with the oil. So a couple of drops of food coloring. Mix it. You could see it mixes so fast with the water. And then we add oil. We let it sit for a couple of seconds that the water and oil be settled. As you could see, we have 2 layers of oil and water. And now it's time to add the tablet. You see, the gas bubble is formed and all water color goes through the liquids. They popped at the top and they get back to the bottom. And this circle gonna end when the tablet is done. And it's gonna be much more fun if we have different colors of lava lamp. In this experiment, we're making lava lamp by using the material that we could find inside the house. I hope you enjoy this experiment.